Have you worrying a lot of things? Thinking to avoid the problems from future and present? Then don't worry, feel bad about yourself. Because it might be a negative habit, but it is a good sign to have a high IQ level. So next time, if you are overthinking, then don't worry. Take it as a positive sign you are smart than other people. With that positive mindset, let me see some 6 habits that high IQ level or high intelligent people have. Number 1. Awareness of yourself. As several geniuses have this type of behavior, they will be knowing their weakness and strength of them. They will have a skills to execute in right time in right way. They never show off that they have a capacity or a high level of intelligence. Those people always be common among the people. They identify their talent and go towards their dream. They have confidence to choose their ideas, and they will be having a life values knowing about that they will be having a key value and dream for their life, which could be have a capacity to achieve it. Now let us see a second habit of intelligent people. You talk to yourself. You can think that could be a sign of abnormal or anything else. Rather than that, a study is proven that talking towards the mirror in a loud voice towards you can improve your self confidence and control over you. The talking towards you can be able to build an habit or which is the most important sign of intelligent people. They can understand their situation or themselves what could be happening in their life. Now let me see the third behavior habit that the genius people would have, that is open minded. Definitely genius people should have a open minded so that they can understand or learn the new things and make innovation in the world. The intelligent people always listens to other opinion and ideas. They will be always welcome the other point of view in that situations. Even though they make ideas, they will be listen to others' advice on that situation and make a decision by their own. Now let me see the fourth behavior of intelligent people. They will know their limitations. As other people, they never overestimate themselves and other people. The intelligent people know their limits to talk to others, the limit of enjoying and limit of studying and everything. They will have an idea what is the limit in that, and they follow in that way, and so that they can be successful in their life by following this behavior and habit in their life. Now let me see the fifth point, handling the challenges in their life. Life is never could be simple and easy. Some people faces a complex level and huge turns in their life. They face easily the problems because of having high IQ level and as though they are the intelligent people, because they know their ability and they can quickly adjust to the new situations or change what is happening in their life. Even though they fail so many times in their life, they will be having a challenging mindset so that they can win easily and they can able to recover rapidly. You will be in peace enough to face the challenges or tasks in your life. Intelligent people never bothers about their failures, and they will always focusing in their success so that they are successful in their life. Now let me see a sixth habit of intelligent people, worrying a lot. If you are thinking worry a lot can be a abnormal thing or a negative thing, that is definitely not, because worrying a lot is a human behavior that too shows that the high IQ level, because a studies proven that the people worrying a lot they have the high IQ level. It is a intelligent people personality. Worrying more is can be said as a negative because they can have a stress or depression, but worrying for the improvement of their life, it is a good sign of high IQ level and intelligent people. So that these are the 6 habits that intelligent people having. Okay guys, this is the end of this video. Until then, bye from Enjami Gameplay.